Hi, this is Travis Hettenbach with LED Source. You might be wondering about hardwired under cabinet LED lighting installation. Well, it's a great way to accent your countertops or even your backsplash, and LED is the way to go because it uses less energy and you can create some great effects and it produces less heat. So you're not heating up the things on your countertop when you don't want to. But hardwired is a great way to make an even cleaner install because you don't have those unsightly wires or cables hanging down there. So a great installation for under cabinet lighting. You flip a switch and it comes on, but the cord is there. Let's get rid of that. Let's use an electric box, have an electric drop rent that by your qualified electrician. You use a jumper to go from that box into your first LED fixture and then jumpers to go between the other fixtures. It cleans your installation up really nice. It looks great. And again, you get the benefits of LED because you're not creating a bunch of heat on maybe your fruit on the countertop, and it also can create some great accent lighting. That's another way to look for under cabinet LED hardwired installations. I'm Travis Hettenbach with LED Source. Thanks.